Alright, hello everyone. Um, Welcome to Khan Academy. Today, our first question is this. A farmer wants to buy between 90 and 100 acres of land. He's interested in a rectangle, so you know what that means. We're gonna draw a rectangle, and it's 1500 long by 300 wide. So, we're gonna have 1500 up here and 300 on the side. This whole thing is being sold for 87,000. So let's write that over here. 87,000. That's the total for this amount, and he doesn't want to spend more than 900 a single acre, which is 43,560 feet squared. So, what the first thing to do is, this is in yards, 1,500 yards and 300 yards. So to get that into roughly feet, you're gonna want to get your calculator up. 1,500 times 3, because it's roughly. There's 3 feet that go into a yard. Very roughly, though. It's like an eyeball estimate, if you know what I mean. So 300 times 3, which is 900. Just write that over here. So this is what we really got. So now we're going to multiply these together to see the area of this. So when you multiply 900 times 450, or 450, you end up with... Let me do this real quick. Oh. Should have just done it in there. Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, so then you get this 4 million. 4,050,000. That's what you get. Now, we divide that by 4, 3, 5, 6, and 0. And that gives us roughly 93 acres. Now we have 93 acres. What we do with this 93 acres is we divide it by the total cost to see how many acres can go into this cost. To see how many you're paying per acre. So you're going to divide it by 93, and that equals... Yeah, let me just try it. I think it's 935, but we're going to check it one more time. Yeah, 935, which is greater than 900. So, the amount of land satisfies what he needs, but the price is too high. It's too high, so the answer for that would be D. And we're going to go to the next problem. Alright, so this next one, it's kind of subjective. A reporter wants to know the percentage of voters in the state who support building a new highway. What is the reporter's population? Now, he wants to find the people in the state who support building a new highway. So you're going to want to find, I guess, think of it as like the most specific. So the number of people who live in the state, like, okay, that's good. The number of people who are interviewed in the state, that's a very select few. All voters over 25, well, that excludes like a demographic that's arbitrary, but it excludes anyone younger than 25 if this state has laws for people under 25 to vote, so that would exclude them. But this is all eligible voters in the state, and that's the answer, because it's the most specific and relevant one. Alright, here's the next one, number 13. In a set of test scores that are normally distributed, a test score of 76 is 3 standard deviations below the mean. A score of 88 is 1 standard deviation above the mean. What is the mean of the data? So, we got data right here. How I did this is I knew it had to be between 5 and 2 because they both end in 6. So, I mean, the multiples of 2. So what I did here is I started out and I wrote, so here's 76, and here's 88. So this is one standard deviation. So I said, okay, so it's 3, right? I'm just thinking out loud. So it's 3. So 3 minus 88 would be 85. So that's 1, and then one more would be 82, 79, and boom. That is 3 standard deviations. Those are 3s if you can't tell. And so then the median would be 85 because it's 88 is 1 more and 76 is 3 less. So that's that problem. Now I'm going to go on to the next one. Okay, so here we are. Number 7. Wait, no, just kidding. Number 14. So here we have sine over cosine plus cosine over sine, which is 1. Then 1 over sine is cosecant, which I mean, that's basically cosine. So you get 1 over cosine. And yeah, so that's the answer is A. Pretty easy. You just use your trig identities for this one. So now we're going to go on to the next one. Alright, number 15. It's about circles. So let's draw one with our special shape tool. I have one here, and let's get let's get one more. These are ovals, but you get the idea of what I mean. And then let's get a line. Look at that. Boom. Alright, X and Y. So we have to find the length of X and Y. The radius of the little one is I think it's 12. And the radius of the big one is, let me get rid of that line because it's stupid looking. And the radius of the big one is 15. So what we're going to have to do here is some Pythagorean theorem. So I'm actually just going to get rid of both of these things and show you how to do it. We're going to draw one of them going here. That will be the 12. And this will be the 15. So right here we have 12. Here we have 15. I deduced this in a calculator with my calculator. And 15 squared minus, since this is a hypotenuse, minus 12 squared equals 89, and the square root of 89 is 9, and that's half of this, so then you just do 9 times 2, and that equals 18, and that's your answer, is C. So, I'd like to thank you guys for watching Khan Academy. Hope you had a really fun time, because I know I did. Rest well.